Omni Calculator Loan Comparison Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description, so let's get straight to it. The Omni Calculator Loan Comparison Tool is a simple yet effective solution for evaluating different loan options based on key financial factors. Unlike traditional loan marketplaces, this tool is not tied to specific lenders. Instead, it serves as a highly customizable calculator that allows users to input loan amounts, interest rates, repayment terms, and fees to compare total costs side by side. It's designed for borrowers who want a transparent, data-driven approach to understanding loan affordability without relying on lender-generated estimates. One of the tool's biggest strengths is its flexibility. Users can manually enter interest rates and terms from multiple sources, making it useful for comparing bank offers, online lenders, and credit union loans all in one place. The detailed cost breakdown includes monthly payments, total interest paid, and overall loan cost, helping users see the true financial impact of different loan structures. Another advantage is that Omni Calculator is completely free to use, with no need for sign-ups or personal data entry. Since it doesn't require pre-qualification checks, there's no impact on credit scores, making it ideal for early-stage loan planning. However, there are some limitations. Unlike loan marketplaces like NerdWallet or Forbes Advisor, Omni Calculator does not connect users with actual lenders or real-time loan offers. This means users must manually research lender rates to input accurate data. Additionally, because it's a calculator rather than a marketplace, it doesn't factor in borrower-specific eligibility criteria, such as credit history or income, which can significantly impact actual loan approval and rates. Overall, the Omni Calculator Loan Comparison Tool is best for users who want a straightforward, numbers-based approach to comparing loans without lender influence. If you already have loan offers and need a tool to break down the numbers or explore different repayment scenarios, this is an excellent resource. Check out the links in the description to try it out and make informed borrowing decisions.